Namaskar. On 27th May last month, a pregnant elephant was killed in a place called Mannarkad in Palakkad district of Kerala. This poor animal was given a pineapple and somebody shoved firecrackers inside the pineapple. This animal ate it. The firecracker burst inside this poor animal's mouth. She couldn't eat from there on. Her entire mouth internally got burnt. She actually went, and they say she committed suicide because she went in a river and actually she dipped herself. She actually committed suicide. It was a very heart-wrenching story. Now, what happened after that was also not correct. The entire social media started blaming Kerala for it. People started memes like 93% literacy, 0% humanity, and all of that. You see, as if the entire people of Kerala were going out and killing animals. Now, let me tell you what happened here. You see, places like Mannarkad, places like Palakkad, people have larger parcels of land because a lot of these lands are connected to forests. So they have larger parcels of land. Now the government and the forest department has prescribed certain ways of keeping animals away from your farm, like barbed wires, putting barbed wires around your farm. Now what really happens is a lot of these farmers do not want to spend the kind of money because the land parcel is large, so they do not want to spend that kind of money to put barbed wires across their border of their land. Some of them find it too cumbersome. Some of them doesn't have the money. They can't afford to put barbed wires. So what they do are these medieval inhuman methodologies, wherein putting firecrackers inside fruits and giving it to animal, so on and so forth. Now what happens is such kind of methodology, such kind of firecrackers in pineapple and all are normally used for wild boars. Why for wild boars? Because wild boars come to eat pineapples. So when they nibble the pineapple, the cracker bursts. It bursts in their face, they get hurt and they run away. Now is that correct? Absolutely not. It's inhuman to do that. People who does this kind of methodology should be punished, and I'm sure the state government will take steps to punish them. Now calling an entire state inhuman because of this, I think is preposterous. Number one. Number two is this entire thing is being politicized now. And I will tell you three reasons why. You see, Mrs. Menaka Sanjay Gandhi, the MP of Bharatiya Janata Party and a former union minister, she started this narrative that, you see, Malappuram is a place known for cruelty to animals. Now, mind you, this has not happened in Malappuram. This incident has taken place in Mannarkad, which is not Malappuram. Malappuram, incidentally, has a large number of Muslims. The majority of residents in Malappuram are Muslims. Number two is, she says, what was Rahul Gandhi doing? Rahul Gandhi should have seen to it. Rahul Gandhi should have seen to it. See, there are a lot of things you should blame Rahul Gandhi, or you can blame Rahul Gandhi, but this is not one of it. Rahul Gandhi is the MP of Wayanad, and this happened in Palakkad district. The distance between Wayanad and Palakkad district is 180 kilometers. What does Rahul Gandhi got to do with it? And the third thing is, this former minister blames the government and says that, you see, the minister should resign, chief minister should resign, so on and so forth. See, this is how politics starts. First of all, the reason I'm talking to you is, please do not convert this into a Hindu-Muslim thing. This got nothing to do with Hindu-Muslim. This incident happened because of a careless farmer. who wanted to keep animals away from his farm. Please don't make this Hindu-Muslim. And the last thing is when she says that the minister should resign, the chief minister should resign, migrant workers died. Migrant workers died in India. Did she ask for the Prime Minister's resignation? Why that life? Those lives are not important. Migrant workers died because of absolute disaster in train management. Did she ask for Piyush Goyal's resignation? Why? Those lives are not important. See, that animal died. Sad. The way it was killed, more sad. And it should be stopped. Those people should be punished, and that should be made an example to the rest of the country. But that's one end. Blaming a state, using this as a political advantage to humiliate a state, humiliate people of that state, is absolutely unjustified and wrong. Converting this into a Hindu-Muslim issue, wrong. So this is the point I wanted to make. What happened was wrong. But then let's not read beyond what happened. Namaskar.